Tax cuts, mental health funding, and school funding are some of the biggest changes Wisconsin will see as Governor Tony Evers signed the state biennial budget today.
Evers visited Eau Claire to make that announcement this afternoon, and Felicity Boss was there. She joins us now to tell us what stayed in the GOP written proposal and what was vetoed.
That's right. I heard him speak at Sacred Heart Hospital. He was there to highlight the expansion of a psychiatric unit and new beds at the hospital through funding that's made possible by this budget, which is the first in years to receive support from both sides of the aisle.
I'm especially excited to be here today because this is a bipartisan budget.
Last week, the State Assembly and Senate passed the Wisconsin state budget, sending it to Governor Tony Evers' desk. And on Thursday, he vetoed 50 measures in that bill in total, one being occupational drug testing, saying the Department of Workforce Development should be focused on helping people find jobs. But even as parts of the budget were vetoed, some local Republicans like Jesse James are still optimistic.
I mean, you had Democrats from the Senate and the Assembly side in favor of this budget, even up to including the Senate minority leader.
Assembly Democrat Jody Emerson says she's happy with the budget, saying the vetoes were an improvement.
I think I speak for all of us today, Governor, when I say I'm really grateful for your leadership and your use of the partial veto to make this budget as best as it can be for the people of Wisconsin.
For Governor Evers, education is a priority, and he announced more than $100 million will go towards Wisconsin schools using federal dollars from COVID-19 aid.
This investment is a critical step in ensuring our kids, our state, and our economy can continue to recover. But I also want to make clear today, we must do everything we can to support our kids in schools if we want to recover from this pandemic.
But the biggest note from today's budget signing was that Governor Evers left in a hefty tax cut. This means $2 billion in tax relief for millions of Wisconsinites, as well as targeted tax relief for service members.
A bipartisan budget, along with prior reductions, not only delivers on my promise to cut taxes to middle-class families by 10%, as I said before, 15%.
Representative Rob Summerfield of Bloomer says he is concerned about occupational drug testing being vetoed by the governor, but is glad to see the tax cuts stayed in.
You know, this was a budget, got bipartisan support. I know a lot of people say you guys need to work together, everything. You know, we passed a very responsible budget for the second session in a row on with divided government.
Some other things that made it into the budget are $2 million in grants for law enforcement to buy body cameras and $100,000 towards suicide prevention for veterans. And there's also more than $700,000 being put towards promoting tourism in the Badger State.
All right, thanks, Felicity. Representative Summerfield says Republicans are going to take a closer look at the items that were vetoed and then decide if they want to move forward with any veto overrides.